Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Dacia Duster. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over to the audio system, click telephone, and you'll see there it's on pair device. If for any reason it's not on pair device, just turn the rotary control in the center there, and it says ready to pair pin 0000. So my radio, click on my radio, 0000, pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, my radio connected.